So how can you make money online right now? As 2022 starts, a couple of things probably come to mind, like dropshipping, starting a YouTube channel, or maybe even starting a blog. And while these things are good forms of lucrative income, they take an insane amount of effort to actually start. What if I told you that there's way more efficient and faster ways to make money online? That is what we're going to be talking about in this video. And make sure you guys stick around to the very end of the video because I have an extra bonus tip that you guys should really consider. And please excuse my nasty voice and my eye here. Something's going on. Never mind. Really quick, before we get in this video, I just want to say, why should you trust me? Why should you listen to what I have to say? Basically, I've tried almost every form of online business that there is, from dropshipping to YouTube to blogs to affiliate marketing to anything you could think of. I've tried it. And along with trying it, I've also failed at every single one. I mean, I've been doing YouTube for 9 years on and off, and I still only have 4,000 subscribers. And that's why I'm here to try and teach you guys how to turn failures into success. If you pay attention to me, I can guarantee you'll learn from my experience. And that's why you should subscribe to my channel, because along the way you'll be able to pick up different information that I've learned throughout the years and you'll become successful. So subscribe. Thanks. The sad truth is that what gurus typically share online is not the reality for what most people will experience when they do start that business that the guru's talking about. But without further ado, let's talk about my 3 best ways to make money online in 2022. Now, if you guys are familiar with my channel, you're gonna know that the very first thing I'm gonna talk about is affiliate marketing. Now, don't click off the video. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of tips, tricks, insider information about affiliate marketing that most people decide not to share. Right now, affiliate marketing is one of the fastest growing passive income. Now, the best way to do affiliate marketing is to already have an established audience, and that can go for like a YouTube channel, a blog, a Snapchat, Instagram, anything online, any social media, anything you can do that will give you guys a platform to share your product that you want people to buy with an audience that already trusts you. But I don't have an established audience. I have a little tiny audience, but really my affiliate income doesn't come from you guys. So I've been already quite successful with affiliate marketing without an established audience. So if you're like me and you don't have an audience that you can just go to and hopefully turn them into a lucrative income, well, you can use paid advertisement to generate leads and then further generate sales and become an affiliate marketer. For example, like Google Ads. Now, the problem with using something like Google Ads or Bing Ads is it's gonna cut into your profit margins. Now, if you wanna do this, I would say that anywhere between $10 and $20 a day is a good starting point, because anything less, you're not really gonna see much of results, and anything more, well, you might just be burning money that you're not putting in the right places. Also, keep in mind that you need to create landing pages, which are one-page websites that basically redirect your traffic to your offer. And then on top of that, you also need to be able to buy a custom domain name. So instead of like mywebsite.weebly.com, it's mywebsite.com. And again, all of that costs money. So to be honest, getting started with affiliate marketing, if you don't have an established audience, it usually costs around $100 to $200. And trust me, you're not gonna become a millionaire overnight. You're not gonna be driving around Lamborghinis, living in the hills, selling your house right now, moving to a mansion. It's not gonna happen. But do keep in mind that starting is literally 50% of the battle. I spend over $1,000 a month in affiliate marketing and make anywhere from $3,000 to $3,500. I'm making a profit of about $2,000 to $2,500 for every $1,000 I spend in ads. So you might be asking how to get started in affiliate marketing. Maybe you already have an offer to promote, but if you don't, you have to be able to find these offers. And a good place to find offers is places called affiliate networks. For example, I'm pretty sure everyone's heard of ClickBank. The link to sign up to ClickBank is actually in the description of this video. So basically just click on the link in the description, go sign up for ClickBank, and then you'll find a bunch of offers that you can go ahead and create your own custom link and go and promote. There is one thing about affiliate marketing people do not tell you. There is a lot of rules and a lot of different things you need to know before you can just dive into it. And there's one specific thing that if you do not do, you're gonna be very lost, and that is tracking. Tracking a website that you own is really simple. You put your Google Pixel, you track it through Google Analytics, and boom, you're done. With affiliate marketing, it could be a lot more difficult, which is why it's important to make sure that you do invest some money into tracking software. And to be honest, affiliate marketing is only profitable if you can track where your clicks are coming from and which of those clicks are actually converting into sales. Without using powerful tracking software, you're basically working in the dark. I use a third-party tracking software called Volume. I love it. I recommend it to anybody who wants to start affiliate marketing because it helped me stop spending money in places that were literally burning dollars. It was like taking money out of my wallet and throwing it in the trash can. It was so bad. And then I got Volume, and it was like, whoa, I can see now that I need to stop spending money here, start spending money here, and then all of a sudden my conversion rates, my sales, everything just started to increase. The link to Volume is in the description down below. And if you're not gonna check out ClickBank, I recommend checking out Volume as a tracking software that you can use for any websites. You can use it for affiliate marketing marketing. You can use it for whatever you like. Now that's it for affiliate marketing. I will be doing an entire video on affiliate marketing pretty soon because it's a very interesting topic to me and I really do like it. So make sure you guys stick around if you are interested in finding out anything else that I know about affiliate marketing. Moving on to my second best way of making money online in 2022, that is freelance work. So you're probably now sitting back saying, oh my gosh, freelance work. Well, I have to create a website to be able to get people there. I have to advertise it. I have to spend money here and spend money here. And the truth is that that is not really how it works. Getting freelance work can be a lot easier than you think. I'm pretty sure that anyone watching this video right now has some type of talent online, whether that be graphic design, video design, taking photographs, editing blogs, making blog posts, anything. There's a lot of hobbies or talents that you can turn into really big business opportunities. The best part about freelance work is that you literally work for yourself. You work on your own time, your own schedule, and you work for your own pay. You don't have a boss yelling at you, telling you have to get this work done by the end of the day or you're fired. You know, you don't have to worry about that. Instead, you're working for a customer. And that, in my opinion, is the best type of work, where you're doing a service directly for a customer. You're not the middleman. This is something that I recently dove into with video editing, and it is true that finding clients that are willing to pay a decent amount of money, or just finding clients in general, can be very hard tasks. And with most businesses, whether you are a construction business or an online digital marketing agency, finding customers takes time, and it's often a lot of pressure to start paid advertisement for your business. But don't let that discourage you, because freelance work literally means that you can pick up any client, and that could be a friend, a family member, that could be people in Discord chats, Skype chats, Instagram, Snapchat. Literally, you can post your stuff around. Don't try to spam, but post your services and let people know what you're willing to work for. Now, as far as getting started, you will not need to create a website, but I would definitely recommend that should be one of your first steps, is creating a website where people can find your services. People can find what you're offering, what your work is. You know, you can put a portfolio online, anything that you can do that increases the amount of people that are willing to purchase services from you. And with creating a website, unfortunately, you do have to put up a little bit of money, but there's a lot of website hosting out there that is very, very cheap. With that being said, I want to tell you guys that, to be honest, the best website builder is Weebly. I know there's a lot of people out there that's going to say that I'm wrong, but it is the easiest drag and drop builder for what you need as someone like a freelance worker. I just like to create websites that are quick, easy, and appealing, and Weebly offers that, and it's really, really nice. There's no hassle, there's no coding, there's nothing else. There's a bunch of different pricing plans for Weebly. I recommend taking a look at all the different pricing plans because you have to figure out which one works for you specifically. But if you guys are interested in looking at the product prices for Weebly, click the link in the description down below where it says Weebly. That'll take you to the website, and you guys can take a look there and see which one works best for you. Now, when looking for more customers, you can go ahead and use, you guessed it, the best website out there for freelance work. Fiverr, Fiverr, whatever the hell you guys want to call it. I think it's Fiverr. Basically, Fiverr is an online exchange of people who are looking for work and people who have work for them to do. And they do take a small little commission of your sales, but don't let that bother you because you know what? In the very beginning, making some money is better than making no money. And the cool part about Fiverr is that it's free to sign up and you can start instantly. And a link to Fiverr as well will be in the description down below. And I know there's lots of links in this video, guys, but if you're serious about starting an online business, I've done like literally half the work for you by putting these links in the description. So on to my third best way to make money in 2022. Unfortunately, I have to do it. YouTube is the number 3 best way to make money online in 2022. Now, before you get mad at me, the reason that I did put this on the list is because yes, YouTube takes a lot of effort and it's a very difficult and competitive platform, but if you guys pick a niche, hammer out quality videos consistently, I can guarantee you guys will see yourself start to grow an audience on YouTube. And it will become a lucrative income for you. I can guarantee that. But check this out. For me specifically, I haven't even made a single dollar on YouTube. Why? Because I haven't been monetized. I've been waiting for my monetization for over 2.5 years. I've been doing YouTube for 9 years. I have almost 4,000 subscribers and I've uploaded almost 2,000 YouTube videos, and yet I still haven't been accepted for monetization. I sent my application in over 2 years ago, and it still hasn't even been reviewed yet. I haven't heard a word from YouTube, haven't gotten an email from them, haven't gotten anything, not got rejected. It's just sitting there, and it's like the most frustrating thing ever, but at this point, I've just kind of let it go. They say it takes 4 weeks to get a response. I've been waiting over 100 weeks. That's sad. So yes, I made a big old fat zero when it comes to YouTube monetization, but I have made a large sum of money that goes through YouTube based on affiliate marketing. Now here's a little bit of insider information. I have only 4,000 subscribers, but yet if I was able to get monetized right now, along with all the other incomes that I have, because I diversify my income, right? I have income coming from here and here and here and here. So if one of them goes away, oh, I still have some money. But basically, if I were to take the amount of money I can make from YouTube if I was monetized, plus all my other incomes, I would make more than the average citizen makes in the United States right now. While I'm also in college and barely spend any time on YouTube, affiliate marketing, websites, blogs, anything, I barely spend any time on it, but I still make a generative, lucrative income. The best part about YouTube is that you're in the control of your profits. If you are at 1,000 subscribers and you start to make money and you're making $10 a day or $10 a week, and then all of a sudden you start to put in a lot more work and your YouTube starts to grow, you're gonna be making a lot more money then. And then you keep putting in more work, you're gonna make more and more money. The only downside that comes with YouTube is the amount of competition that there is. And it makes it difficult to grow if you don't have a good setup and thousands of dollars to dump into a computer and monitors and cameras and lights and editing software and all that. As a YouTuber, you never stop buying equipment. I mean, trust me, I've been buying equipment for 9 years now, and I just keep buying and buying and buying, and it gets worse. It's an addiction. But I would take a stab at this if you really have a passion for making content. If you start with the idea that you're gonna make money from it, you most likely will not. Only start a YouTube channel if you really, really like making videos. You start with the mindset of making money, you will fail, and you will fail quickly. So as I have promised, I have a bonus tip for you guys for how to make money in 2022. And this is not necessarily online, but it's a really fast, easy way to make money right now. And there's like no startup effort. The only thing you need is a car. Now, I recorded a full video of my experience driving 8 hours of Uber Eats. I found it can really pay a decent amount of money if you know what you're doing. Like the very first time you do it, you might get kind of lost and you don't know what you're doing exactly. But if you continue doing it little by little, you'll see you can make a decent amount of money driving Uber. So this last tip is to sign up free with Uber Eats or sign up to become a Uber driver. I made about $150 in an 8-hour shift of driving Uber Eats. You can find that video on my YouTube channel and check it out for yourself, but I can't encourage you enough to take the leap to actually go ahead and try and join it. It's a great way to make extra money on your own time and basically work for yourself. The link to sign up to Uber is in the description down below. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you use my link in the description down below to sign up for Uber Eats, you have a chance of getting a reward. I don't even know what that reward is, but it's better than signing up and getting no reward, so take your chance. But yeah, guys, overall, please don't start playing apps on your phone that says you're gonna make money or that you can go ahead and do surveys that are gonna pay you $1 per hour. I can guarantee you that the time that you spend studying affiliate marketing, freelance work, or starting a YouTube channel, or any other online business for that matter, is way better spent. I know it's easy to say, guys, but knowledge is money and money is power. Without the knowledge, you'll never be able to actually get ahead and grow financially. And don't get me wrong, I don't mean knowledge as in go to college. I mean knowledge as in studying something that's actually worth your time and makes you happy. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Leave a thumbs up if you've ever started an online business, and I know that's every single one of you because you've all tried it. So if you don't leave a like on this video, you are a failure. I'm kidding, but I'm not. I also want you guys to leave a comment telling me about your experiences with starting an online business, and maybe somebody else going through there will find it helpful. And as always, I'm gonna love you and leave you with a nice old adios.